Hello, welcome to Concepts of Cloud. In this video, we will learn how to install an Apache web server on an Amazon EC2 Linux machine. I am in my AWS console and have a web server running in my console. Let me log in into this server. To install Apache, run yum install httpd. To confirm, enter Y and hit enter. To check httpd status, run systemctl status httpd. We can see it is in inactive state. To start httpd service, run systemctl start httpd. Check its status again. We can see httpd is running now. Now go to AWS console again. Copy its public IP. Default port number is 80 for HTTP service. We can see a test page. Now let's say you want to change its default port number from 80 to, let's say, 8000. To do so, we need to make two changes, one in security group and one in servers httpd.conf file. So let us first modify its security group. Security. I have opened security group in new tab. So this is the security group that server is attached with. Edit its inbound rule. Here we can see currently this server is running on port number 80. So we will delete this. Add rule. And our desired port is 8000, let's say. So we will put here 8000. Source will be everywhere. Now save the rules. Now, without changing server's httpd.conf file, let us try to open this page again with port number 8000. So I already have copied its public IP :8000. We can see unable to connect. Now we will go inside server again and open a file with path bi/conf/t/httpd/conf. Enter. Oops, I think this is not the path. Let me quit this. I will go to that path first. cd/etc/httpd. Yes. So this is the file httpd.conf. Now vi this Here we have one option called listen and default is 80. So it was opening that page earlier because here also it is 80 and in security group also it was 80. But now in security group we have changed this 80 to 8000. We will modify that here also. We will make it 8000. Save and exit. Restart HTTPD service with this command. Now when we try to open this page with port 8000, it will open again. In this way we can modify HTTPD service port number. Now you might be thinking where this page is coming from. To stop this page to come up, we have instructions given below. Let us add our custom index file in this server and again try to open this page. So go inside this server again. Make a file vi /var /www /html /index.html. Enter. I will give a simple random header. Save and exit. Restart the HTTPD service again. Now let us go to this page and reload this. We can see that page is gone now and we have our custom page as this is my default web page. In this way we can add our custom index file to the server. Now one thing to know, let me clear this screen first. So here we can see that this HTTPD service is running and its port number is 8000, but it is running while this server is booted. Once we reboot this server, we have to manually start this HTTPD service again. So to prevent this HTTPD service from stopping even after we reboot the server, we need to run an extra command after starting that HTTPD service. That is systemctl enable HTTPD. Now I will reboot this server just to check whether this HTTPD service is stopping or not. To reboot init 6. Let us wait some time, then we will log in into this server again. me log in. To check what all services are running, we have this command netstate-nl tp. We can see this HTTP service is still running, and that is on port number 8000. Now when we reload this page, it should come now. You can see. Just to check, I will copy and I will open this in other tab. Sorry. You can see this page is up now. In this way, we see how to prevent HTTP service to stop even after reboot. Now, let's say we want to remove this HTTP package. To remove this, go to this server and run this command yum remove HTTP -y. Putting -y won't ask you for confirmation, it will directly remove this HTTP service. Hit enter. Now if we reload this page, it should throw an error. Yeah, we can see unable to connect. In this way, we removed HTTP service from our machine. To conclude this, in this video, we saw how to install an Apache web server on an Amazon EC2 machine. We also saw how to configure our manual port for HTTP service. We ran various Apache services like start, stop, restart, etc. And at last, we saw how to remove Apache package from EC2 machine. That is all about this video. We'll see you in another video. Till then, happy learning.